Dear students, in this session, let us discuss about citral. Its occurrence. Citral is present in the oils of several plants. Say, for example, lemon myrtle 90 to 98%, Listia citrata 90%, Listia cubiba 70 to 85%, lemongrass 65 to 85%. So, these are some of the examples where we can find citral in the oils of these plants. So if we see the structure elucidation, molecular formula was determined as this one in the presence of aldehyde. This is the from the molecule. If it is treated with hydroxyl amine, it forms this oxime. If it undergoes oxidation, it gives carboxylic acid. If it is reduced, it is going to give alcohol. So if we presence of two carbon-carbon double bond can be given by bromination test. It adds 2 molecules of bromine to form tetrabromide, which indicates the presence of two carbon-carbon double bonds. So we can see the addition of 2 bromine molecule at the two sides of the carbon-carbon double bond, forming a tetrabromide. If the position of carbon-carbon double bond indicated by the oxidation, if oxidation is carried out with citral with alkaline KMnO4, it gives acetone, levulinic acid and oxalic acid. So the oxidation leads to the formation of this compound, which indicate the position of carbon-carbon double bond. And if it is subjected to ozonolysis, it gives acetone and glyxol. Means ozone is added across the position of the 3 double bonds, leading to the formation of acetone and glyxol. Formation of the above product shows that citral is an acyclic compound containing 2 double bonds. Corresponding saturated hydrocarbon of citral corresponds to the general formula, which indicates that citral must be a cyclic compound. So if you see the carbon skeleton, citral, when it is treated with potassium hydrosulfate, it gives P-cymene. Formation of P-cymene and the product from the ozonolysis reveals that citral is formed by the joining of 2 isoprene unit in head to tail fashion. So on the basis of the above facts, we can see the structure proposed for citral can be like this. So this is P-cymene, this is structure of citral, and this is the carbon skeleton which is given here. And finally, the structure can be proved by this Barbier-Bonneval-Tiemann synthesis. In the synthesis, methyl heptanone is converted to geranic ester by using Re-Formatowski reaction. Geranic ester is then converted to citral by distillating mixture with calcium salts of geranic and formic acid. So this is methyl heptanone. After Re-Formatowski reaction, it gives this geranic ester. This geranic ester is then converted into citral by distilling with the calcium salt, which is going to give the geranic and formic acid. Thank you.